Igbo Queen.
Ndị Igbo na New Zealand, oge erugo kwano. Kedunu, oge erugo maka Igbo Cultural Day. It's time to celebrate our rich Igbo culture and pride through our music, food, ofe onugbu, ofe egusi, moi moi, and many traditional dances. It's Igbo Cultural Day 2024, powered by the Igbo community in New Zealand. It will be so much fun. Don't miss out. Get your tickets now. Tickets are free. Date is Saturday, 30th November from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Venue, Freeman's Bay Community Center, 52 Hepburn Street, Freeman's Bay, Auckland. For more information, send an email to Mazi Obinna Okpareke on email president@NdiIgboNZ.org. Igbo Cultural Day, powered by the Igbo community in New Zealand. One day, Dinamba.